Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. Today I will be showing you how to add profile in Brave browser. So guys, to do this process, first things first is you can just simply go ahead and open up a Brave browser into your computer. And now from here, as you open it up, as you can see, you can select a profile right away. So to create a profile, you can just simply select add over here and automatically it will open up a window and you can just simply provide your name over here. And after that, you can just select a theme over here. And you could also change your avatar by just simply clicking on the pencil icon over here. And you will have multiple options that are default into the Brave. And now just simply select done. And right away, you should be able to create an account. And if you want to add more account, you will just simply go for the profile icon over here on the top right corner. And you will have an option over here, add Brave profile. So if you want to add more, of course, it will look something like this again. And you can just simply set up the new user or profile. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.